Hey yo, what's up guys? I'm Robert. Welcome back to the randoms. Today it's just gonna be me, myself, and I. That was kind of cringe, but the reason is because I'm up north right now. I'm watching boat races today. I've been up here for almost a week now. No, since last Friday. Yes, for like a week, over a week. So today is boat races. Same with tomorrow, but I'm only gonna be recording one day because it's gonna be a lot to edit, and I don't have enough time to edit. Plus, there'll be a lot of storage going through my phone and stuff, and I don't have that much storage. So I just wanted to inform you guys what this vlog is gonna be like today. It's the first ever. No, this isn't our first ever vlog. I don't know how many vlogs we've made, but oh, one more thing. Thank you for the 100 subscribers. We have been needing that, or we've been wanting that. It's been like since 2019. We started our YouTube channel back in December 18th, I think. You guys can go check out the first video. Go like it if you guys are new. If you haven't watched it, or if you haven't already, go like and subscribe if you're new to this channel too. So let's get into the fun stuff today. Alright guys, I made it to the fun part. If you guys can hear, it's just the boats testing. They have a 15-minute testing period to where they can test out their boat and see if it's working. So let me turn my camera around.
Sorry if you can't hear me that well.
That's where they are. That's where the pits are, and that's where I was. I'm out on the pier. Very edge. Out there are buoys where they have to go through, like a little obstacle. Then they come through. See, look, they're testing them out. Then they go down through the river, right there, all the way down to Bullet Lake. That's where they have to go. But right now they're just testing out their boats. They're not actually racing right now. This would be one weird race if they weren't testing. If this wasn't testing. Alright, so we moved spots. They just did the Ecuadorian national anthem, the American national anthem, and the Canadian national anthem. They're about to start. It is currently like 11:45 right now. I moved spots. I'm not right on. Well, I still am on the pier, but I'm further out. Got the boats over there. So yeah, I'll record again right once they start coming. Alright, we have like a minute until they go off. They're all getting ready right now. They're starting to rev up their engines. Some stupid sea-doo right next to me. I don't even get why he's out here. He shouldn't be, because this is where I'm not gonna feel sorry if he gets hit. I'm sorry. But yeah, this one over here in the green. That man in the green with the walkie-talkie, he is gonna be doing the flag. They're all starting their engines right now and trying to warm up. Right there's somebody spraying. So yeah, they're just about to do it. So they're about to start. They got the flag up. One more coming. One more coming. There are different heats to where there are different boats that come through. Certain boats have to go first, and then there's the first group, second group. There are like 4 classes: A class, B class, C class, and D class, and they all differ from age. The A class just went back. That was the first one. That was the youngest one. Oh, somebody's coming through again. Oh, back to what I was saying. The A class is the youngest, which just went. They are the first people that go through. B class is a little bit older, teenagers. C class, I think, is 20-year-olds to 30-year-olds. D class is like all the old people. So these people are starting to get ready. B class. 10 seconds until the second group, until the B group goes. third class is next. A little late for recording right there, but this is the biggest class. 35 people are in this class. Come on. Some dude's still coming. Some dude's still coming.
Yeah, look at that. Look at all those bugs hitting each other. Look at them. They're hitting each other.
This is the biggest class. I was wrong. The other class was like 25. This is like 40, 45. Something just fell off on that boat. That's not good. That was the biggest class of today. There's one more class, I'm pretty sure, going through. It was delayed a little bit because somebody crashed. DNR officers were going down the river, like at 10 miles, no, faster. They were going down the river fast. Somebody must have crashed. They had to delay the race a little bit. I don't know what happened. So I'll just inform you guys on what happened later. Again, I'm late on recording. These dudes are fast. Oh, my boat right there, my boat. D60M. D60M. See, D6VM, D6VM. Some dude just got swamped out. Yeah, that was the last. No, there's one more class, but I don't really think it's that big. So I'm just gonna walk back. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk back. So I'll just inform you guys on what happened. I already know, but I don't think it's time to say. Alright guys, it's 2 o'clock right now. The races have finished, at least for today. Tomorrow they're going to start back up. Same racers, same, at least the people that didn't get disqualified and people that didn't crash. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying about the bad incident. Some dude did crash far down the river that way. They got EMSs down there. They had the DNR come and get them. So just send your prayers out to those people to make sure that they're okay. Second, I'm going to Akiak Falls right now. I'm going to record some of that too. It's going to be fun. Today's a fun day. So, very action-packed day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a fun day. We haven't uploaded in a while, so just hit the like, subscribe, share this with your friends. We need some more subscribers. So yeah, I'm getting changed right now. I'll update you guys on what's happening and if we're doing anything else today. Alright guys, I have arrived at Akiak Falls. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm with my nephew back there, right there. My sister's up there. My other nephew's up there. My other sister's back there. So we're just walking right now. Alright, so we have to walk down these rocks to get to the river. Slash waterfall. Almost fell right here.
Not a regular conversation.
Right there, I love swimming. I go straight underneath the waterfall. It's fun to swim straight up here. I like to walk across up there too. So yeah, I'm gonna set down the camera for like an hour or so I can at least have some fun. I don't think I should be recording all day, so. Alright guys, I just got done swimming and stuff at the waterfall. It was fun. I'm heading back right now. I know my hair, I had to put it inside a ponytail. It looks weird. But yeah, we're going back home tomorrow, I think. And we're gonna be getting pizza and stuff on the way home. But we're going to go get ice cream right now. Then we're gonna go see the big cross in the woods. It's gonna be a fun time. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright, we're inside the car. We're gonna be heading back right now. We're heading back right now to our cabin. I know my hair's messy. I had it in a ponytail, as you could see from the other clip. So yeah, we're gonna go get ice cream after that. After we get back, go see the cross in the woods, go to Chiller Mania. So yeah. Alright guys, we have made it to the cross. It's back there. Back there, right there. So yeah. Alright guys, if you guys made it this far into the video, that means you should probably hit the like or subscribe button. Either one will make us happy. It'll make another person's day. Please show your friends this video. I'm trying to get Jonathan Rand's books booming. I love his books. His books are booming, but I want them to be #1 bestseller. They are awesome books. I got Pandemia. It's about a pandemic. And that goes perfect with what's going on right now. But it's about the bird flu, which I don't think I should really get into the book because you guys should go read it yourselves. Another thing, 100 subscribers. We have made it to the triple digits. The triple digits for subscribers. I know that's not a lot for YouTube, but it's a lot for us, and we love it. Please have your friends or family like and subscribe our videos. Like and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. We need it. Or we want it. We really love your guys' support. It makes us it shows us that you guys really care for us. You guys really like our videos. You guys like our content. We got the funny doggo memes video up to 6,000.7 views. How? Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have been giving us. Kyler and Taylor are very proud of you guys too. They're very proud of us, of our group. All you guys, we're proud of you guys for sticking with us from the beginning. You guys will be the real OGs of this channel. So, just wanted to say that. Right now, I gotta go sit down by the fire. I just want to enjoy some family time. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a really long ride with you guys. We are gonna keep you guys posted and updated on everything, on our health and stuff, and how we have been growing as a YouTube channel. I know my hair is stupid, but it's gonna be longer by the next time you guys see me. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and have a wonderful night.